Are you someone who enjoys solving problems and making strategic decisions? Do you thrive in environments that challenge you to lead teams, work on diverse projects, and ultimately make an impact? Then you're perfect for a career in business. Hi, I'm Christy from Sundance College, and I'm here to tell you how you can get started in the business world and create new job opportunities for yourself with a diploma in commerce, general business management. Let's first talk a little bit about Sundance College. We're here to support your success from the moment you watch this video until your first day on your new career and beyond. We have a wide range of programs in various fields, each designed to provide you with the skills and experience you need to start your long and successful career. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to take your first steps towards your new career in the business world, so take notes. A diploma in general business management can open doors to careers in a range of industries and sectors, from administration, banking and financial fields, to marketing, human resources, and entrepreneurship. It's a diploma that can be used in almost any career path you choose to take. Sundance College's Commerce General Business Management program is 43 weeks long and curated to provide you with the essential skills and knowledge you need to become a key player in any business. Led by our industry-experienced instructors and helped by flexible learning options, you'll gain insights into up-to-date industry trends and best practices while studying at times that work for you. The Commerce General Business Management program is split up into 17 courses, with each course providing you with a new set of technical skills and proficiencies that will see you reach new heights in your business career. You'll learn foundations in the most important areas of business with courses in business essentials, marketing, human resources, and financial planning. While courses like project management, supervision, and account and sales management will equip you with the technical skills, knowledge, and tools to lead a team of business professionals to success. The program also includes courses like organizational behavior, communication and interpersonal skills, business English and proofreading, and effective business writing that will help you become a great communicator both literarily and verbally, which will really enhance your effectiveness in a business environment. To make sure you're fully prepared for your program and to become a student at Sundance College, our program offers courses in becoming a master student, as well as Microsoft Word, Excel, Outlook, and PowerPoint. Not only do these courses set you up for success as a student, but Sundance College also pioneered a student laptop program that provides you with the technology you need to complete your studies efficiently and comfortably. So you'll be fully set up from day one, and you get to keep the laptop. Another course on your program is the Career Management course. This, along with the lifetime access to our experienced career services team, will help you refine your resume, practice interview skills, and learn opportunity finding strategies that will make you stand out as a candidate when you're ready to apply for jobs in your desired field. One thing we always want to do with our students is to help them bridge the gap between theory and practice. So during your General Business Management Diploma program, you'll have a 5-week practicum placement where you'll gain valuable experience in the business world, making your transition into your new role much easier. A bonus of studying at Sundance College is that you have the opportunity to build a strong network of peers and instructors who share your interest in business and have been there with you throughout your program. They can play a key role in your new career and your future. The goal of everyone here at Sundance College is to ensure that you have the support you need to succeed in your studies and your business career. We're here to equip you with the skills, knowledge, and support needed to reach your goal. Our website provides detailed information on this program and others, and our admissions advisors are standing by to help you in any way you need. Click the Learn More button on our website to find out more about our Commerce General Business Management program and start your future today.